In this video I show you how to create this text animation that you see on the screen. Let's go. These are the settings we are going to be using for this composition. Click OK, and I'll turn on this title action save, so I'll be using this lines to help me out. I'm gonna select the text tool and then type in your text, and then I'll press Ctrl Alt Home, Ctrl Home to center this onto the screen. And this is the font I'll be using for this. It's called Paladins. And now I can press P for position to animate this. I'll expand this so I can see the frames. I'll go to 5th frame, set a keyframe on position at 5th frame, and then go to the beginning, and then while holding shift I move this to the left side, and I'll be using this lines to help me out. So I'll select the keyframes, press F9 to easy ease, and then turn on the motion blur. Turn on motion blur for the layer as well, and then we can have a look at it. Looking fine. And now we make sure that we don't select anything here, so that when we select pen tool we don't mask out this text. And now we can make sure that it has no fill, so I'll zoom in and then Alt click on this one, make sure that it has this icon, that it has no fill, and then I'll change the value to 5 of stroke, and then make sure that you have white color for the stroke, and then I'll click on it once, and then over here while holding shift click on it once more, so we get a straight line like that. And then we want to animate this, so I'll press enter and then rename this to 1. Now I'll open the settings, go to add, and then add trim pass to it. Open the settings for trim pass. I'll go to the beginning and then set a keyframe on both start and end, and then I'll change the end to 0 as well. I'll go to 5th second and then change this to 100 now. Select the keyframes, press F9 to easy ease, and then we can, for this start one, we can move this forward a little. It's too fast, so we will make this, so I select everything, and then while holding Alt I select the last keyframe and make this slower. see this lines here at the beginning as well. So for this ones we can select the shapes 1 and 2 and then press U to view the keyframes, and then we can move this beginning keyframes a little forward so that they don't show, they don't. So I'll select this one, move it to the left, open the settings, Now we can select everything, Ctrl A, Ctrl Shift C to make a composition of it. I'll name this to title, and then we can make a 2-second composition out of it. So I'll press N and then right click, trim comp to work area, and there we go.